I'm Russ Lambert with Winterhawk Outfitters. I've been a guide up here since the fall of 2000. We offer archery hunts, muzzleloading hunts, and rifle hunts. We operate on 250 square miles of the flat top wilderness in White River National Forest. Larry Amos, the owner of this outfit, has owned the business for over 25 years now, and we've been in the same spot. It's an excellent piece of ground. This White River National Forest elk herd is probably the largest on the planet, so our hunters do enjoy being able to hunt a very large herd, and the numbers are high, the herd is good. Mule deer hunting is excellent as well. This area is known for its trophy class mule deer. We offer guided hunts and drop camp hunts. On that 250 square miles of ground, we have drop camps spread out through there, and guys come from all over the country to get packed in. We pack in their groceries and their personal gear into one of our camps, and then when they harvest the animals, we pack their game out. Some of the other things that we offer is a guide school. Our guide school is kind of unique, whereas it's a 45-day program. The last 2 weeks of that school runs right into the first 2 weeks of archery season, so the guys get hands-on experience out there with guide and client and actually participating on the hunt, skinning, quartering, gutting, and packing out the game. Summertime, we offer horseback vacations and fly fishing trips, and then of course when August rolls around, we roll into our archery hunts.
There's a ball. It's a bite. Right there is where it stopped. She didn't stop and kiss me though. You know, it's good looking at you, bro. Brett's better looking than he is. sounds like him.
Trying to blend in as good as I can. I use some of the natural camo from the area.
Sticks to your pants pretty well too, huh?
Yeah, it seems to be working quite well. Doesn't rub off. Very nice.
Let's join Russ as he guides Jim Weisenberger to his first Rocky Mountain elk.
It was a terrible shot. Yes, it was a bad shot. Good. Second one was good, though. Is he down? I told you. Call our way down on the hill.
Oh, Russ, that's... Thank you, man.
This morning, the rest of the guys in camp left. Jim's the only guy that stuck it out, so grabbed the camera and followed Jim today and got into stuff right off the bat. Spotted a bull up on this hillside. We were a mile down over the hill and wasn't a whole lot of other talking going on, so we decided to go ahead and go after this one up here. This may be him, may not be, but we've covered some miles and we're patient and worked the wind today and just rolled down over the hill and he was coming up and fortunately got into him. But it's, you know, this is very hard hunting because of the terrain, the weather, and you know, we want our guys that come into Winterhawk to know how tough these hunts can be.
We hope you enjoyed this week's exciting adventure with Russ out there in the wilderness with Winterhawk Outfitters. Laura and Larry Amos have been operating in this area for over 20 years.
There's a 4-point restriction in this area, so it makes for a lot of great elk.
The bulls have a chance to mature, and the boys just had a fantastic time.
They couldn't say enough good things about Winterhawk, about the area, about the guides. They just said it was awesome.
The number's on the screen, and you can also contact them through our website and their website.